Hello everyone. Um, so today I'm gonna demonstrate the game that I'm currently making. Right now I don't have any title that I can put in this game, so I'm gonna name this Rush Stage. So I have two versions here. This is the current one and the old one, the old version. So let's start with the current one. So this is the current state of this game. So as you can see, it's just working fine. I can do some slashes, and enemies can also hit me. I can hit them. They have this HP bar too. I have HP bar too, and the FPS is alright. Alright, 60 FPS, not bad. Very ideal FPS. And this stage is just a test stage. It's not the final design of this stage. I'm going to design it like later. For now, this stage is alright to conduct some testing. Also add some things. Also we have this kettle thing that breathes fire. This one is a hedgehog. Yeah, that's a hedgehog, right? And this enemy with a sword, I would like to call this creature as Blob Knight. So yeah, this is the current state of the game. It's not very much. I can also wall slide. I can also like dash. So that's the current state. And now this is the I'm gonna show the feature that I'm working on. So this is the feature that I'm currently working on. It's the image scale based on screen resolution. So I'm gonna switch there. And we are in this branch, and then as you can see, nothing has changed that much. Only the spawn point, because I'm testing some things here in this place. So the goal of this branch is to create this image scaling feature. So for example, I changed this to 1 to 80 720, and then as you can see, it's scaling. For now, the tile images are not scaling, which is alright. It's easy to do. The important thing here is the grid or the cells that contain these images. As you can see, there are gaps. It means that the cells are scaling, but the images are not, which is good, because scaling the grid cells is the tedious thing to implement than scaling the images, the tile images, which is very easy. That's why I'm not scaling it right now. And you can see the decorations are also not scaling. I will scale them later too. Also the speed, it's very slow. You see the shuriken. Also enemies can't move. There's some problem with the with the way that they look for tiles, but it's easy to fix, I think. And yeah, this is the current picture that I'm creating. And now sorry for that. Now let's go to the old version. So I have a detached terminal here. I didn't integrate it here in the VS Code, but it's alright, still the same. So this is the old version. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it's very small, but the images are very much the same. For example, the tiles, enemies too. Also, you can see the early version of the Blob Knight. It's fun. They are small though, and also those arrow traps, the early version of them. And also this version is not optimized, that's why you can see some lags. But yeah, this is the old version. So let's go back to the previous progress. So git log. So I initially started this, or I must say, my first commit is in June 7, 2024. That's last year. That means that I'm working on this project since last year. And then this is the first commit. Then add some git ignore, then slash mechanics June 9, and then June 11 progression cycle. That's why you can see my character can slash multiple times, four times to be exact, and then slash 3 slash 4. And this is just an experimental feature. I think I have a much better plan here to implement this, like background compatibility with multiple OS. Codebase, organize, add FPS counter. You can see it here in the debug. We can, if I change this to true, and then so let's see, if I change this to true, maybe later I'm gonna demonstrate that. So let's look at this previous commits. I just want to show my progress. So July, what did I do in this date? Also, so the attacks, the player attacks, and also added new enemy. So let's go to this commit. And then let's try this. Okay, so this is the early iteration of the stage. So this is the stage that I was using before the other stage that we have seen earlier. And as you can see, what I don't like here is that enemies are very small, and as you can see, there's also an FPS counter. And also I kinda like this tree, but it's small. And I don't know what you think. Is it better if the characters are small, or you want it a bit larger like the previous version, like the version that I have shown earlier before this? I'm not sure. And this is the new additional enemy, the Blob Knight. And the boxes that you see there are the detection box. For example, if my character goes there, they will attack. Yeah. So let's go back to the oh god, I forgot this. Let's see if that command is successful. Yes, it is. I think I can kill this. And then let's go back again. I've worked on this old version until this is just a previous commit, because there was a bug in this previous commit. That's why I fixed them. So I have worked on this version until August 28, 2024, and then I stopped. The reason that I stopped, because I need to upskill my pixel art skill and some music skill. I'm gonna show some workflows later, like how I do the art. So yeah, so we started in June 2024 and ended in August 28. So yeah, I've been working on this game for 3 months or more. Alright, so I'm gonna show some code base. Like this is the main py, the enter point. Yeah, and lots of codes here. Then for the particle, I have this one. Then for the player, I have this. This is the old version. I think the code base of the latest version is much better. Then we have this different folders, levels, the moving platform, and some thorns, and utils. Yep, general utils. This is how I load enemies, but I think I can improve this code base, this script. I can improve this further. It's not my priority right now. My priority is to make this game work and finish the first stage. So these are the things. Some sneak peek in the code base. And yeah, that's the so this is the old version and the new version. For the music, I'm using LMMS. So let's open. I already have a music here. Disclaimer, I'm not an expert I'm not expert at making music, so yeah, the music that I'm creating may not be good, but um, I'm creating this project for learning experience. So this is the music that I'm creating, and it's finished. I just need to polish it. As you can see, it's a chip tune, and it's kind of silly to be honest. But that's my current skill regarding music creation. But I think I'm gonna upskill. But I'm gonna upskill. Gonna improve my music creation skills. So right now, I think that's enough. But maybe in the upcoming months, this music may improve, and I'm hoping it will improve. And then for the pixel art, I'm using GIMP. So let me open something here, like where's the player? Background. Maybe let's open. I think it's the name of the main character of this game is Blue Ninja. Yeah, I was trying to create a ninja, but I decided to just create a Bomberman like character. I think it's much cuter than a normal ninja. And let's see this. So yeah, this is the workflow that I'm doing right now. I'm not using a sprite. I think it's you need to pay to get that software. GIMP is free, and you can create some pixel art. As you can see here, these are the animations. This is the run. And also disclaimer, I'm not good at pixel art. My primary skill is programming, not music creation and creating art. But I do have some knowledge in creating some art. That's why I created this. So this project of mine is a solo project. It means that I'm doing all the work, the music, the animation, the art, and also the programming. Thinking you can view the grid. Oh, this is GIMP 3. Yeah, show grid. You can see there's a grid there. You can easily like align them and see if my animation is alright. I think they're alright. They're not bad. So this is and then you can get the blob right here. There's one interesting art that I have here. Yeah, evil mask, but I'm not gonna put this in the game. I don't know, maybe someday, but I just experimented. It's good. This is the blob knight. This is the animation of that. So this is the 16 by 16 version. You can see that. This one, I think this blob knight looks like a robot in the 16 by 16 design. And this part is the resized version. It's not 16 by 16 anymore. It's greater than that. Yeah. And now you know where I create my pixel art. So yeah, that's all.